Hello everyone. In this session, we will be looking at the Tableau design flow, where we will take a look at each step that involves the journey of data inside the Tableau. The usual design flow of Tableau is connect to a data source, building a data view, enhance the data view, create worksheets, create and organize dashboards. Then, at last, we create a story. The first one is connecting to a data source. Tableau supports a wide range of data sources, from spreadsheets and database to cloud-based services. We start by selecting our data source, whether it's an Excel file, a SQL database, CSV file, or something else. We establish a connection to that data source, allowing Tableau to retrieve and interact with our data. We will explore various connection options and best practice in this step. The next step is building data views. Once we are connected, it's time to build our data views. This is where the real magic happens. We drag and drop fields onto our workspaces to create a visual representation of our data. We can apply filter and aggregation functions to shape our data views and focus on what's important. Interactive features like tooltips and highlight actions make it easy to explore our data in detail. The next step would be enhancing the data views. Now that we have our data views, it's time to enhance them for some better insight. We can format our charts, add labels, and customize colors to make the visualization more meaningful. Calculated fields allow us to create new variables based on existing data, enabling advanced analysis. Parameters and sets adds interactivity, enabling the users to dynamically change the views. In step 4, we create worksheets. With our data enhanced, we move on to the creating worksheets, the building block of our analysis. Worksheets are individual charts or visualizations that provide specific insights or answers particular. We explore different types of charts and visualizations that offers and learn how to choose the most suitable ones for our data. And we can add multiple worksheets to our dashboards, each focusing on different aspects of the data. This step is all about refining our data views and making them informative. And these steps allow us to build the building block of our final dashboard. The fifth step would be create and organize the dashboards. Now it's time to bring it in all together on the dashboards. Dashboards are like the canvas where we arrange our worksheets, text, images, and other elements to create a cohesive narrative. We learn about best practice for our dashboard design and layout to make our data visually appealing and easy to understand. And then we add actions and filters between worksheets on dashboard, which allows the user to interact and explore. The next part would be creating a story. Finally, we arrive at a storytelling phase, a powerful way to communicate insights. A story in Tableau is a sequence of sheets or dashboards that work together to convey a narrative. We explore how to add captions, descriptions, and annotations to guide our audience through the story effectively. This step is where we turn data into the insights and insights into some actionable information. Then there is some advanced techniques. To truly master the Tableau data flow, we delve into the advanced techniques. We explore parameters and actions in more depth, enabling the dynamic interactivity in our visualizations. Calculated fields become our toolkit for advanced calculations and custom measures. We discuss the best practice for data blending, handling complex data sources, and optimizing performance. To conclude, the Tableau data flow journey from a connecting to a data source to creating a story is the final. This iterative process allows you to harness the full power of your data, turning it into a compelling and impactful story. Remember, Tableau is a tool that empowers you to explore, analyze, and communicate data driven insights effectively. In the next session, we will talk about some different type of files in Tableau.